There's gotta be one of these old ideas that we can recycle for views. No. Oh, that's interesting.
Sponsored by AMD.
What? This was stupid the first time.
But what if we crank up the intensity?
Unbox 2 of them?
Oh.
No, bigger. Welcome to my unboxing of 3 Firetrucks. Wow, that is preschool grade quality right there. It's not big enough. Welcome to my unboxing of my very own real Firetruck. Say hello to my beautiful 1993 HUB pumper built right here in Abbotsford, British Columbia. Pumpers, also known as engines, combine powerful water pumps and large tanks with Big Red here pumping 1,050 gallons a minute from its 1,500 gallon tank, along with plenty of room for ladders, as well as basic firefighting and medical tools. Before we look at the inside though, this is my first time seeing Falcon here in person. So I figured we should do a quick walk around, as well as share some of her history. Our wee woo machine has served in several places across our beautiful province of British Columbia before retiring from public service and landing in the hands of a private operator. We bought it off them for just under $25,000 US, which feels honestly like a steal, doesn't it? Since this pristine boy has just under 30,000 kilometers on it. That is exceptionally low for a machine this old. Most fire trucks are retired at around 100,000 kilometers. I am not a firefighter. I assume this is a power plug. Yup. Hey, we got the big fire hose and the less big, but still pretty big fire hose. This is where it poops. Down here, we've got what appear to be corresponding suctions for these bad boys. You could pull, oh, I drained it. Well, I mean, I guess it was labeled pull to drain, so it works. And apparently we have all the parts to operate this pumper, but we don't really have an instruction manual, so that'll be part of the fun tomorrow, figuring out how all of this works. Okay, all across this side, we've got, oh, hey, look at that. I got my very own portable type nozzle, not for electrical fires, made in Taiwan. Okay, I guess they store all the stuff they need in here for fighting fires. This is where your glass master goes. You can master the glass. Ah, yes. A bag. Ah, but what about second bag? Ah, this is that Asus ROG Flow convertible. It's a laptop. It's a gaming tablet thing. Most importantly, it has an AMD Ryzen AI Max Plus processor in it with incredibly powerful integrated graphics. Like, I was playing Black Myth Wukong on this thing. It's Microsoft Copilot Plus ready. This thing's freaking cool. What else we got here? Some DIY work, grounding. Oh, she's on a drawer. Oh yeah, buddy. You gotta plug that into something. Oh God, that's powered. What is that? 600 volts, DC to something water resistant.
This thing is a 5,000 watt generator.
Yes, it is. Wonderful. And that, my friends, is why only qualified personnel should something, etc. Okay, let's go around the back. Whew! Yeah, if you guys wanted to kill me, this would be a way to do it. We got an AED around here or what?
You actually do.
Whew! Okay, oh my God, is that a bird? There's this dead bird in there.
Is that real?
I mean, I think so. I have a bit of a necrophobia thing. I'm actually gonna want someone to remove that. If you guys wanna see all the behind the scenes, by the way, lmg.gg/floatplane, we're gonna have a whole week of April Fool's prep, including the original meeting months ago where we came up with this ridiculous plan.
I think we only have one take. Because I think if it falls, it's gonna break.
Here, Reese, let's lose this too. It's got some feather debris on it. I'll just, yeah, it's fine. Okay.
Do you want to get on top?
With that, yeah, I want to get on top. Oh, first I'm gonna open this and hope there's nothing like a freaking dead otter in it or something. What a thing. All right, let's go up top. So I guess you just kind of give her the old, I guess all your ladders and everything go up here?
Yeah. There's also rails on the side too, but.
What'd you say about birds inside?
Hopefully none, no more.
What is this bad boy? Do we have any idea?
I think that's for the ladder.
Yeah, it's some kind of ladder something, it seems like. Ergonomic. We got another kind of storage rail thing over here on the other side. You just kind of put something on the rails and then you give her one of those. Question for you. Are we allowed to have these?
Oh yeah, just not on the road.
Okay. How am I supposed to like get down from here?
Exactly like this.
This side around, we got more of the same. Hey, oh buddy! It came with hoses. Let's go. I don't know if they work or not, but I guess we're gonna find out tomorrow. That's a big old cable tie. What else we got here? Oi! Oh God. Okay, yeah, so you know, put your bodies in there. Diesel fuel kind of goes in there, I guess. There's a, cap section so that other things don't get in. Hey, with an authentic rag.
We can throw that out.
Nope, I'm keeping it, I paid for it. Okay, I don't know what these are, but they're on both sides. Okay, it's got a hinge that sounds like it breaks every time you close it. Hey! So that you can start the fire, you need to put, why is there firewood in it?
For exactly that.
We don't know, do we? This is a drain for the whole ass tank.
Oh.
I think. And it's empty.
There shouldn't be any water in it.
Oh my God, there's birds coming out!
No.
I'm kidding, there's no more birds, there's no more birds. Yeah, that was sad. I'm sorry I joked about it. Okay, number 1, number 3 discharge. Oh, we're missing a cap, hey?
Yeah, and this is broken too.
We busted a cap.
So if you look here, there's like a gap.
Oh.
So we think it wasn't broken when we had it inspected. We think it froze during the transport and like there was water in there and it froze and expanded.
Oh, that's a downer.
It shouldn't be an issue. There's so many other inlets and outlets.
Here, come on up here, Andrew. Oh, dude, buddy!
Have you ever seen so many levers in your life?
Look at her go! Relief valve control, the pressure open and close. Got your throttle here, prime the pump cooler, engine cooler. Damn, Daniel.
Last thing of note up here is this outlet that you can attach a water turret to.
Oh, buddy!
We didn't get one, they're a little expensive.
What's expensive?
Several thousand.
Several $1,000s.
Yes.
Hello!
Oh.
Cheep, cheep, cheep.
Stop!
Okay, what's down here? Oi!
Oh.
Okay, so we got some kind of cooler. Man, these are serious business fans. Look at these metal blades. Jeebus. These are 12 volt? How many fucking amps are they? These are 46 watt fans. Sure thing there, bub. So where's the pump? There's your pump. She's iron, boys. Man, we're not even going in the cab next. We gotta go in the back, in the ride-along area. Oh, dude! Me and all my friends, let's go! Got the oxygen tanks here. Oh, look at that, got the spare. Dude, this is sick. Before anyone corrects it, yeah, I know it's not pure oxygen in there. That would be incredibly dangerous. There we go. Man, you hear that quality? Did you hear that quality, sir? Now that's a door. They don't make them like they did back in 1993, boys. Up we come. Pump engaged when lit. Pump power shift. Mirrors heat. You got heated mirrors, boys? In 1993? Woo, look at this wheel. Okay, what am I looking at here? Oh, we got that beacon. Got the front warning. Intersect light. Oh, look at that. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, whoa, we got power? Oh, we got power, boys. Breaker. This is Firetruck 1 to the lab team. We are going to do a quick test of the Firetruck 1. You may wish to plug your ears.
Everyone plug your ears!
Oh. Oh my God, jeebus. Can we get in trouble for letting out a siren on private property?
Nah, you're fine.
Are you sure?
No.
What's phaser? Oh God.
That's outside lights. Oh yeah, that's top lights.
Let's go! Let's just turn on all the lights. Boop, 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 boop. Everything's going. Let's go. Woo! Hey, hold on. There's someone pulling in. Hey, stop right there.
Oh my God.
I got a fire truck. Wait, what? The engine's just like right there? Got some acoustic deadening panel or whatever? That's crazy. It just has an engine hatch, just like right here.
Oh, you haven't seen nothing yet. Check this out.
Oh, dude. Never mind opening up the access hatch. This is crazy. The whole cab just goes up and boom, that's it. That's the engine right there. What is this?
An 8.3 liter Cummins engine.
Spoken like someone who has no idea motor things.
No, apparently it was a really common engine in buses, fire trucks, military vehicles back in the day. It was known for its reliability, although I found a big list of like usual repairs that really freaked me out.
Oh, you mean Cummins?
Yeah, Cummins.
Enough about that though. I want to see this thing pump. Hey, this is convenient. And look at this. One of those handy dandy fire hydrant
Hold on.
wrenches.
I'm on the phone with the city. I don't think we're actually allowed to use this fire hydrant. We're gonna have to figure something else out.
I mean, it's not even on city property. We're gonna need to speed this up if we're gonna get down with the wetness. So we've got the team here upping our flow game. Wow, look at that limited edition LTTstore.com thirst extinguisher water bottle. Now available for a limited time. LTTstore.com. Did I mention LTTstore.com? Anyway, how are you guys doing? Is it full yet?
Not even close.
In all seriousness though, this is our Strata fire hydrant and we did get permission to use it. So how does it, I've never operated a fire hydrant. Have you, David?
I've watched a video. No, stop!
That's the one that opens up the flow, right?
The flow. So these ones open
So
up.
these just open up the thing.
Yeah, ideally we would have like a
Oh my
portable
God.
fire hydrant that helps with backflow, but I think we are going to do it raw, baby.
We really actually don't know how to do this. And the one guy who got the briefing on how the truck works and everything is work from home today.
No, wait!
You dick.
So you're actually supposed to like
You dick.
flow without anything to clear debris and stuff.
Okay, so what, you watched a YouTube video or what?
That's how I'm an expert. Oh yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, there we go. Hey, she's clean. I would drink that water.
We'll go full flow.
Real firefighters watching this be like, oh my God.
I'm sorry, plants.
Oh wow, no, that is really dirty. Oh, that's gross, dude. That's how I imagine a bantha pees. So now we know how that works.
Let's attach hoses. Truck came with a couple hoses. We can try those.
Sure.
Those won't work.
They won't work?
They won't work? Okay, so we got new
Oh, it's heavy.
Hey, I still can't believe that there's just firefighter supply stores and you just go there and buy this stuff.
I think you're supposed to extend them before you use them. Oh, wait.
How did he do this? I'm gonna get knocked on my ass by this thing, aren't I? I'm sure you're not supposed to drag it across the like jagged ass ground.
I'm sure it's durable enough.
Look, firefighters, hi. We're doing everything wrong. This is not a firefighting tutorial. Oh, look at it go. That's pretty cool.
I really don't want to break anything because
Okay.
everything looks expensive.
Yeah, what did the Strata tell us what happens if we break the fire hydrant? I assume we just pay for it, right? Like how much can a fire hydrant cost? $10? So that goes into suction? Here, number 2 suction, right? Oh, just as dirty as the other thing, nice.
My heart is racing.
Number 2 suction. Apparently they drive around with these things full. What was the reason for that again?
Just so that they can like start attacking a fire as soon as they get there.
Okay, she's a quarter full.
Should we connect our other hose and nozzle?
Yeah, we can connect the hose and nozzle. Okay, what are you even hooking up to, David?
Discharge.
Number 2 discharge.
Need the nozzle, wherever that got to.
It's around here somewhere, I just saw it. Hey, David, before you do that, should I open it up?
You'll have to.
Okay, number 2 discharge is open.
Oh, I've got water.
Should we have like 2 people on this hose? Jeez. Oh my God, she's rock hard. Okay, that's
More
fine.
pressure.
This doesn't seem right.
Oh, it's coming.
The other way, other way.
No, it gets like more straight.
There we go. That's it? Do we have like a crappy nozzle?
Maybe.
Yeah, there's no way that's all she's got. Hold on, where's the nozzle that came with it? Do you know where the nozzle that came with it is? Oh, here.
How do we attach that?
Let's try this.
Let's find out.
Oh, it's wet. That's not gonna be easy.
There
Oh,
we
no
go.
way. What a guy.
It looks cooler.
Yeah, that looks better. Let's give her the beans. Whoa, there we go. That's the one. Okay.
Woo!
So if we needed to put out a computer fire, A, we would not use water, and B, you versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. just like this is your CPU versus the CPU she tells you not to worry about. Our sponsor, AMD's Ryzen 9 9950X3D. With 16 cores and 32 threads, the 9950X3D is a powerhouse like we've never seen before in its class. And what truly makes this CPU a gaming GOAT, aside from everything, is its second generation AMD 3D V-Cache technology. With this much power, content creation is a breeze, and you can smoothly stream in 4K while gaming without lag. No need for a dual PC setup. This CPU can do it all. Check it out at the link in the video description.
I think we should set the building on fire and see if it works.
This guy, man, yeah, you can really, hit the building with it.
Hopefully no one's coming out.
Hey, look, it's Dennis. Oh, sorry, Alex.
It's so loud. What are they doing?
I see the lights on. I saw a face.
Oh my god.
Can I just take a couple pictures of this?
Why?
For no reason. I don't want to adapt this to anything at all.
Oh, we'll be adapting it to things. Look at that pressure, buddy.
Can you wash my car?
I really don't think that's a good idea. Tell you what, you can do it.
Okay. I think it's fine.
Lance, you only watch my front. How old is?
Well, you have your windows open, you f***ing guy. That's why I didn't spray the car anymore.
Yeah, it's fine. Nice. You can see the dirt coming off.
If he strips off his
wait,
paint,
someone's trying to come out. Let Andy
that's
come
his
out.
problem. Hi, Andy. Don't worry about it.
Washing my car.
Is that it for this segment?
Yeah. Let's go get ready for emergencies.
I don't know what kind of emergencies we're gonna have, but dang it, we are gonna be ready for them. Let's go! To be clear, I don't know exactly what kind of emergencies our truck's gonna be kitted out for, but what I do know is that I want to be ready for them when they happen. So I had the team put together an advanced rapid alert system, hopefully one that even I can't miss. Jeez, let's go, let's go!
That's not a drill!
Wait, I don't have a crew.
Oh, don't you worry. I got you the hottest firefighting crew in the entire country.
Wait, hottest?
Hit it, boys!
Yo, girl, what you know about me? Hella crazy when I bust on this beat. Put your booty right down to your feet. When you bring it back up, rub it all on me.
David, they don't have shirts.
Yeah, that's for the calendar shoot. You like that?
Maybe. You guys are doing great. Now, unlike these new Firewall Department t-shirts that you can actually buy right now, you're gonna have to wait a little while for our 2026 Fire Department Technology Calendar. Are we doing that?
Oh, yeah.
Good gravy. In the meantime, I can't stop thinking about all the incredible things we want to do with this truck. Turning it into a mobile gaming LAN center. Oh man, cooling a computer using the fire hose that's coming off of it. Oh, this is gonna be a lot of fun. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. If you guys can think of any great ideas for what we can do with a real, actual fire truck, let us know in the comments. And if you're looking for another video to watch right now, hey, maybe check out the time that we cooled a PC with concrete. It actually worked.
Don't jump. Don't jump.
Okay.
Don't jump.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Don't jump.
Rock!